It's a well-documented fact that the people of Japan are inventive and creative. It comes as no surprise, then, that they used this to create a new game in which they rolled down different hoops and tires down a ski jump. We wanted to see how accurate this might be, so we tested it ourselves. It was harder than it may have at first seemed it would have been, with the wind pushing them to the side and no way to ensure that they actually made it to the ramp and all the way up the top. But eventually, we overcame these challenges and succeeded. It was hard to get most of our objects to successfully roll down the hill. We tried a clock, a quarter, a pack of Ritz crackers, a pink bouncy ball, but none of them would really work. The only things we could get to actually roll down the hill were a bike tire and a hula hoop. Set out to calculate what happened and why using rotation and projectile motion. We were able to find the potential energy using MGH and the velocity the same way. We used trigonometry to find the angle of the ramp, which we used to calculate the velocity it would have been going at the bottom. And finally, we use projectile motion to calculate how far it should have gone and how long it should have taken. For both the X direction and the Y direction, we use the same techniques, using projectile motion equations to solve for a period of time and a distance.